What's going on, and welcome back. Got a little bit different video for you today. It's gonna be kind of a review-ish type video, use in review we'll say, but got something pretty cool that's gonna come in very useful for many videos and a lot of content that I do, so let's check it out. Alright, so as you can see behind me, I do have my 2009 PK Ripper Team XLP. About to do some work on it, but that's not the point of this video. Just kind of wanted to show it a little bit. I did get new pedals. The pedals are pretty sweet on that thing. But anyway, I'm going to take you to the other room and show you what this whole video is about. Okay, just kidding. I'm not going to take you into the other room. To be honest with you, the lighting was bad and the camera was doing some weird stuff. So anyway, moved everything into this room, and basically it's just the helmet anyway. So as you can probably guess, the point of this video is not necessarily the helmet, but the camera mount on the front. So I have tried to find a good camera mount for a helmet, for any helmet basically, for a while now. I do have one of these sticky ones, sticky type, on my helmet that I use for drag racing, but this helmet is a little bit different. It's got crazy angles, sharp edges, and you just can't use the sticky anywhere on it. There are certain places, only certain places that it kind of works. So I didn't want to put it on the side. I wanted to get a pretty much dead center first person point of view. So I think this accomplishes it, but this is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this mount. This one I got off Amazon. Now I will put the link down in the description, so if you want to pick one up, you can do that. So basically, since I've been looking for so long for a decent mount, one that's going to work right, I wanted to kind of do a review and spread the word on this, because so far it's doing really well. Today I actually took the bike to the pump track, and you'll see that footage here shortly. To test it out and see how it did footage wise, and see if it would interfere with my viewpoint with the helmet on. So as you can see, you can kind of see the camera while you're riding. It's kind of, it works out for me. It might not work out for everybody, but it's cool because you can see kind of the screen, on a little bit of the screen, and you can see that it's recording. So that's really cool. So you know it's recording before whatever you're gonna do, race, pump track, whatever you're doing. So that was cool, but it is not in like plain sight. So it actually works out really well, in my opinion. Some people might not like it, but basically I'm not looking, you know, down at the camera. I'm looking more straight ahead, so the camera really doesn't get in my way. Anyway, that was very long-winded, so let's get to the point here. So this is the mount. Like I said, I got it on Amazon. I don't think there's any particular name brand. It comes in a basically unbranded box, plain box. But the key features of this one are, versus others, are these sides here. Now I'll take the camera off, but I did want to show you how the camera actually looks on it. Looks really good. You can kind of move it around a little bit. It's got some kind of movement to it if you're trying to, but normally just wearing it, it doesn't move around. So let's take the GoPro off. Now this is the Hero 7, but any GoPro should fit. It's got standard GoPro mount on it. So this is called the TELESIN, is what the name brand says right there. But this is a better look at the mount itself. And my helmet, this is in O'Neill, and it is a Series 2. This is a motocross helmet, motocross, BMX, either or. It works for either. But it worked out really well, because you see these straps here. I do want to show you this. These have to go over the chin area, I guess you'd say, of the helmet, and they attach to Velcro here. So on the back side, I don't know if I'll be able to get a good shot of it, but I think you can see the Velcro where it attaches there. That is kind of the only downfall that I can see with this mount, is that you do have to run these straps. Now, if this helmet had a visor, you know, it would come down, it would actually touch these. Now, my helmet I use for drag racing, I will probably use this mount for it. And it does have a visor. These may or may not get in the way, but most of the time I don't put my visor down. Now, once I start going faster, I think it's a requirement that you use the visor. So we'll see what happens on it, but right now I'm not too concerned with it. But it does come with this screw. It does come with that as well. And it wasn't a bad price. I can't remember exactly what it was. I'll throw it up here, you know, for your information, how much it was. But really nice. I do like how these wings, so to speak, they actually pivot on either side, and that really helps for these type of helmets, because as you can see, there's just jagged edges and just weird forms all around the helmet. So this works out well on a motocross or BMX style helmet. I really do like it as far as that goes. And I got this, I think Monday, this is Saturday, and I went ahead and mounted the camera to the helmet, and it's been sitting on there until today. So I wanted to kind of test the longevity of, you know, how long it would sit there and put stress, because it's fairly tight. You don't want it to move, so it's fairly tight. But I wanted to make sure it would stay on there and not break just from being on there and, you know, having these straps under tension. So anyway, that's kind of the review of it. I'm gonna show the footage from this morning. We went to the pump track. Had a pretty good time out there. And I'm getting quicker on the pump track. It was a lot of fun, but man, is it a workout, and it's tough. You're gonna hear a lot of heavy breathing because I'm old, and yeah, it's tough. So let me throw that footage up and you can watch that and see how this mount actually delivers footage wise in action, and then I'll be back to close this one out. Alright, so we're trying out a few new things today. New camera mount. I don't know if you can hear me well, but gloves and pedals. Already did one lap and I'm already tired. Old people problems.
That was actually the fastest I've been through one of these turns. Holy shit. That's kind of freaky. Whew. Wow, that was fast, that turn. Alright, we're going to try to take that turn there a little bit further up on the wood. It's a cool turn on that one. See what happens. Almost went off the track right there. That was cool. Ooh, that was almost death. Wow. Bad thing about this track, kids, they stop right in the middle of the track. Woo. Didn't even see it until I was on. All right, so this might be my last run here. Dude, I'm tired already. Golly, this will wear you out. That's gonna do it. Whew, God. That's enough. Golly. Get too old for this. Whew, that's fun. Damn, it is fun. Alright. Peace, y'all.
But that is going to do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something from this. And if you are interested in this mount, like I said, link in the description below. I think it works well. I like it. And as long as it doesn't break or anything like that, there are some other mounts that I've seen reviews, a lot of reviews saying that they just kind of break apart. So we'll see how this goes as far as the longevity of it and see how long it actually lasts. But as of right now, I'm extremely happy with it because it fits great on that helmet, which I'm glad for because I really wanted to try to get some first person point of view footage for you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna get out of here and quit rambling. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will see you on the next one.